today we will be learning about quadratics. Now, a quadratic standard equation is 8x squared plus b x plus c. Okay, so that's the standard form of a quadratic. Now, today we will be showing you how to solve a quadratic equation. And we're going to start off with x squared minus 6x plus 9. So the x squared goes into the first box. The 9 goes down to the last box. And then you multiply these two numbers to get 9x squared. Then you bring the negative 6x down here. And then there's two numbers that multiply to 9x squared and add to negative 6x. And those two numbers are negative 3x and negative 3x. So, now you bring the two numbers into these two boxes. So you get, now, you have these, so you gotta see how these two multiply. So, like, how you get x squared, and that's by x and multiplying two x's. Then you gotta see how you get negative 3x, and that's by multiplying negative 3, and same with this one. Now, negative 3 and negative 3 multiply to positive 9. So that's how we got those two numbers. So then we put them into two equations. X minus 3 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Then you add 3 to both sides. You get x equals 3. And you add 3 to this side. You get x equals 3. So now you see how we have the same exact numbers. And that's because when there's two numbers exactly the same, they have the same exact answer. So that's why it turns into x equals 3. Now, we're going to use the sample problem. X squared minus 5x plus 6. And now, I want you guys to try and solve this problem using what we learned. Oh yeah. By using the box and diamond method. Okay, so what you guys should have gotten was x squared plus 6 on this one. Then you should have got, I believe, negative 3x and negative 2x. If you guys didn't get that, then you must have done something wrong during the box and diamond, or you might have not fully understand the concept. But that's the two numbers you should have gotten. And then you should have got this on the outside. If you haven't, there might be something wrong with your multiplication or something else. And then you make, if you haven't made these two into an equation, do so. So you get x minus 2 equals 0, and x minus 3 equals 0. Then you add 2 to both sides. You get x equals 2. Then you add 3 to both sides to get x equals 3. And that's the two answers you should have gotten. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.
Talk to my thing.